Hey guys, welcome back to our 100 Days of Java course. Today we are going to build our first console game, Rock, Paper, Scissors. You know the rules. Rock beats scissor, scissor beats paper, paper beats rock. Let's make the computer our opponent and let's build it. So first, we need a way for the player to choose rock, paper or scissor, and a way for the computer to pick it randomly, and a logic to decide who wins. A loop so we can play multiple rounds. So let's code it. Import java.util.scanner, import java.util.random. Public class rock, paper, scissors, public static void main string args, scanner is equal to new scanner system.in, random rand equal to new random. String choices equal to rock, paper, scissor, boolean play again equal to true, system.out.println, welcome to rock, paper, scissors. While play again, system.out.print, enter rock, paper or scissor. String player choice equal to sc.next.to lowercase. String computer choice equal to choices ran.next int 3. System.out.println computer chose plus computer choice. Let's decide the winner. If player choice dot equals computer choice, system.out.println it's a tie. Else if player choice dot equals rock and computer choice dot equals scissors, or player choice dot equals scissors and computer choice dot equals paper, or player choice dot equals paper and computer choice dot equals rock, system.out.println you win. Else system.out.println computer wins. And we also need to ask the player if they want to continue. So system.out.print, do you want to play the game again? Yes or no. String answer equal to sc.next.to lowercase. Play again equal to answer dot equals yes. System.out.println thanks for playing. So that's your first real Java game. We combined loops, conditions, arrays and random numbers into something fun. And let's see you tomorrow.